Here's the rotor. You can see it has a cogging spot there and there. But I always try to go to where the fuel is strongest in this spot here. One of the magnets will always stop there. So it has a torque going that direction, counterclockwise if you're looking at it that way. So I've reset this. Got the power off right now, but it's reset to 0 on the time. You can see they're both reset actually. But I'm just testing the one side of the motor for now. Once it's fine tuned, then I'll put on the other side. I'll turn this side off and I'll fine tune this side. And then you can run them both at the same time after that. Put all this circuit and that mounted on the motor. So I'm going to turn it on here. As I turn it on, I'm going to hold it so that it's not trying to power the coil up. There it's on. Start. There's the power being consumed. Scope shot too. See, this flashes only when it's actually registering power. There, it's already not. And it will stay like that. And very rare it'll keep flashing. So it's definitely under 10 milliamps. And without that ramp, it's at least 30 milliamps when it's running in this mode here with 2 magnets on that timing disc. Let's see on the scope. You see too is if I do torque it down, it will actually register on the meter. This motor has a lot of torque. Just to show you too, I will put it so the coils are on constantly and you'll be able to see that where it's on. $10 watts. So that's 1 minute of power consumption. Picks up speed, and that's it. Once I have the other half of the motor, they will start to produce power on the outputs. The RPMs will go up. You'll see on the scope the bottom flatten out. See, I really don't like these FETs either. Like, the on time doesn't, it's not a flat top. It's curved like that. I think if I was using the latching one like I do on that other motor that I was testing these circuits out on, I think it would work better, because it stays on until you have another magnet in the opposite direction that turns it off, and it's a flat top and it's straight off. That's all it'll ever register, quarter of a watt. I tried measuring it with the clamp meter too. It can't give a good measurement. And using the meters and the, like a straight through, using the shunt and the meter, actually it reduces the power to the motor, and it really doesn't give you a true reading of, it'll give you a true reading while the meter's hooked up of what it's using while the meter's hooked up, but as soon as you take the meter off and you put it back onto the machine, it's wrong. It's not not the same power that was being used as when you're measuring it with the meter. Has resistance when you use it like that. Even this has resistance, but it's pretty minimal. It's a 100 amp shunt. But it's a good 10 minutes. It's been running for at least 5. So you can see it's only registered for 2. But thanks for watching. Document it as I go.